Collaz Smith, Lifestyle, Career, and Net Worth in 2025. Collaz Smith, born November 16, 1991, in Portland, Jamaica, is a dynamic YouTube star and social media personality captivating audiences with his vibrant content. Known for his Collaz Smith TV channel, he invites viewers to subscribe for immersive vlogs showcasing Jamaican culture, cuisine, and adventures, amassing over 197,000 subscribers by 2025. Hailing from Windsor Castle, Portland, Collaz's content reflects his deep connection to Jamaica's lush landscapes and vibrant communities. Growing up in a modest environment, he faced early challenges but channeled his passion into music and storytelling. In 2011, he launched his YouTube channel with Dream Girl, an original song, before pivoting to vlogs that highlight Jamaica's essence, its seaside, rivers, and cuisine. His authentic portrayal of island life, from rural Portland to Kingston streets, has made him a household name. Collaz's career centers on Collaz Smith TV, where he blends travel, culture, and cooking. His August 2023 video, showcasing dishes like rice, fish, and chicken, went viral, while others featuring coconut dumplings and curry beef highlight his primitive cooking style. Beyond YouTube, he hosts pop-up cooking events in Jamaica, offering locals and tourists authentic Caribbean flavors. His 2024 travel vlogs, like one exploring Manila's slums, reveal his empathy for underserved communities, resonating globally. Collaz also sells merchandise online, with worldwide shipping, boosting his brand. Collaborations with creators like Miss Little Hot Kitchen and his strong Instagram, at Collaz_91, and Facebook presence amplify his reach. A dedicated family man, Collaz is married to Sham, and they have 3 children, a son and 2 daughters. While private about his family, he occasionally shares heartwarming moments, adding relatability to his persona. His commitment extends to philanthropy, with notable contributions like $500,000 to the Baby Oprah Foundation and donations to St. Anne's Bay Women's Center. He's also led fundraisers for Hurricane Beryl victims in St. Vincent and the Grenadines and to feed children in Nigeria, earning praise as a humanitarian. Collaz's lifestyle remains rooted in Kingston, balancing fame with humility. His net worth in 2025 is estimated between $100,000 and $500,000, driven by YouTube ad revenue, $2,000 to $10,000 monthly, event hosting, and merchandise sales. This reflects his entrepreneurial hustle, though he maintains a modest demeanor. Looking ahead, Collaz plans to expand his travel content, with 2025 videos like his Fort Lauderdale trip, 30.5K, 55.9K views, showing growth. Future projects may include new merchandise and global creator collaborations, cementing his influence. His clean image, free of scandals, and focus on positivity make him a role model. Collaz Smith's journey, from Portland's countryside to a global stage, inspires fans to embrace Jamaica's spirit and pursue their dreams.